What if I told you this tiny house offers the luxury of $1 million home without wasting a single square foot? From breathtaking architecture and oversized arched windows to a cozy designer interior, hidden storage, and a balcony that feels like your own private retreat, every inch of this home has been thoughtfully designed. Stay until the end. You might just find your dream tiny house. Standing proudly against a peaceful mountain backdrop, this stunning 2-story tiny house proves that compact living can still feel grand. The clean white stucco exterior creates a timeless appearance, while the vertical stacked stone accent instantly adds texture and sophistication. One of the first details you'll notice is the beautifully crafted flat roof with generous overhangs finished in warm natural wood. Those rich wood tones soften the modern design and make the entire home feel warm and inviting. The second-floor balcony is easily one of the home's standout features. Protected beneath the extended roof, it creates a comfortable outdoor retreat where you can enjoy your morning coffee or unwind in the evening. The sleek black metal railings keep the design clean and contemporary. Adding a burst of color is the custom wooden flower planter, overflowing with vibrant pink blossoms. Another defining feature is the collection of oversized black-framed arched windows. Their graceful curved tops soften the modern architecture while allowing generous amounts of natural light to pour into both floors. Along the sidewalls, tall black-framed vertical rectangle windows continue the home's contemporary theme. These slim windows maximize daylight. Leading to the entrance is a beautifully crafted wooden staircase. Natural wood treads paired with sleek black metal handrails create a perfect balance between warmth and industrial elegance. At the base, a clean, minimalistic concrete walkway. Stepping through the main entrance, you're immediately greeted by an open, airy living space that feels much larger than you'd expect from a tiny home. High ceilings and abundant natural light create an incredible sense of openness. The focal point is the stunning custom TV feature wall, combining warm oak panels with elegant stacked stone accents and soft LED lighting. A large flat-screen television sits perfectly centered, creating a luxurious entertainment area. Facing the TV are comfortable modern sofas upholstered in soft, neutral fabrics. Between them sits a beautifully crafted wooden coffee table. Moving into the kitchen, you'll discover a space that feels worthy of a much larger luxury home. Warm oak cabinetry stretches from floor to ceiling, providing an incredible amount of storage, while maintaining clean, minimalist lines. A beautiful stone backsplash adds texture behind the countertops, complementing the natural wood finishes perfectly. The large central island serves multiple purposes: food preparation, casual dining, entertaining guests, or even working from home. Stylish pendant lights hang above the island, adding both elegance and warmth. Open decorative shelving displays ceramic dishes, plants, cookbooks, and carefully selected accessories, making the kitchen feel lived in without sacrificing organization. Tucked beneath the staircase is a cozy reading nook designed for quiet moments. A comfortable accent chair, soft throw blanket, warm lighting, and a custom-built bookshelf filled with books instantly create a peaceful atmosphere. Indoor plants add freshness, while natural wood finishes tie the space into the rest of the home's design. Beside the reading corner, the floating wooden staircase with sleek black metal railings leads gracefully to the second floor. The bathroom continues the home's luxurious, minimalist aesthetic. Large format light porcelain tiles make the room feel spacious and bright. A floating oak vanity topped with a white countertop creates a clean, modern appearance, while a large illuminated mirror reflects light throughout the space. Matte black faucets and hardware provide elegant contrast against the lighter finishes. The walk-in glass shower features a rainfall shower head, built-in storage niche, and frameless glass enclosure that keeps the room feeling open and airy. Every detail, from neatly folded towels to decorative shelves and greenery, helps transform this bathroom. Integrated into the bathroom is a surprisingly elegant laundry area. Stacked front-loading washer and dryer units fit perfectly inside custom oak cabinetry, surrounded by additional storage for towels, baskets, and everyday essentials. Rather than hiding the laundry space, the thoughtful design turns it into another attractive feature of the home. The first bedroom offers a peaceful sanctuary filled with warmth and natural light. A large black-framed arched window mirrors the beautiful exterior architecture. flooding the room with sunshine while framing stunning outdoor views. Soft linen curtains gently filter the light, creating a calm atmosphere throughout the day. The room includes a comfortable bed with layered neutral bedding. An organized closet provides generous storage with hanging space, drawers, and shelving, proving that compact bedrooms can still be highly functional. The second bedroom offers an equally luxurious experience, with an added bonus: direct access to the second-floor balcony. Large glass doors framed in black connect the room to the outdoor space, allowing sunlight to pour inside while offering beautiful views of the mountains, surrounding trees, and vibrant pink flower planters. If you enjoyed this luxury tiny house tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible modern home design.